When a shared office building catches on fire like this is how we restore it. All right, so it's Saturday afternoon. We're in Honeybrook. Belfour Property Restoration gave us a call Thursday morning. I came out here and looked at this job and they were like, hey, it's gotta be done by Monday morning. So we got it all ready to go on Thursday and Friday. Saturday morning, here we are, rocking and rolling, and we're gonna work until midnight if we have to finish today. So even though these flex ducts are from about 200 feet away on the other end of the shared office space, we're still having to restore them as opposed to cleaning. And the IICRC says when you have a fire job in a building, most of the time you're gonna need to replace the flex duct, not just clean it. So this is an actual HVAC restoration project, not just a regular cleaning project.
Pricing for HVAC restoration is very different than pricing for duct cleaning. We use R&M sheets that track all of our consumables and labor for the entire job so that when we are ready to invoice the insurance company or our client, we have the proper documentation for the job.